I'm Arthur, I'm 26, I'm from France. I'm data scientist at addData and I did Le Wagon last year. Before Le Wagon, I was an IT auditor at PwC, so I was thinking data science was a good next step of my career. The part-time format was perfect for me because it was a good combination of work and study time. Le Wagon helps me to go to these next steps by teaching me the dependency to code. That was really a challenge for me at the beginning, and helped me also to go to the next level by teaching me the right skills to go to data science. The thing I enjoyed the most at Le Wagon was really the type of exercise we had. It was really hands-on, and with that I was able to leverage my experience. Before the end of the bootcamp, I applied to several firms and I was hired at addData. There, I'm working as a data scientist. So I'm creating models based on the data of the clients to leverage their data.